Today we will discuss classification of NC, numerical control machine tools. The NC machines can be classified according to control loop feedback system. There are two types, only open loop type NC machine and closed loop type NC machine. In open loop type NC machine, there is no feedback provision is provided, and in closed loop type NC machine, feedback provision is provided. The NC machine also can be classified according to the type of tool motion control. The first one, finite positioning control NC machine and continuous path control NC machine. Finite positioning control NC machines can be further classified as point-to-point system, state-out system, and continuous path control NC machines can be further classified as 2-axis contouring, 2.5-axis contouring, 3-axis contouring, and multi-axis contouring. NC machines also can be classified according to program method. First one, absolute programming NC machine system and incremental programming NC machine systems. What is open loop, what is closed loop, what is point-to-point control system, state, and what is continuous contouring system, and what is absolute programming and what is incremental programming, we will see in further topics. So this classification of NC machine can be classified accordingly like this. Now we will see the advantages of NC machine. Advantages of NC machine. First advantage is less setup. Less setup. Setup means setting of the machine tool, setting of the workpiece, that is called setup. Means the activities before starting the actual machining, that is called setup. The NC machine, less setup time is required. And second advantage is complex machining operation. Complex machining operation means a complex shape can be produced by using NC machines. Complex shape means suppose you want to make a square. This is one of the type of complex shape. If you want to make something like this will be supposed to be complex shape. So these complex shapes, which is very difficult to manufacture on conventional machine, so these complex shapes can be produced easily by using NC machines. So complex shape can be manufactured quickly and accurately. And third advantage is it gives high accuracy. High accuracy means job will produce according to specification or according to dimensions and according to the surface finish required. So NC machine gives you high accuracy. And next advantage is it requires less inspection. Less inspection means since we know that NC machine gives high accuracy, job will be produced according to the dimensions or according to specification. So obviously, since the NC machine provides uniform quality product, that's why inspection time required is less. Next advantage is reduction of scrap and wastage. As the production takes place according to the program, and jobs are produced according to the dimensions given and according to specification. So obviously there will be no scrap. Scrap means whatever the product you are producing, it is produced under dimensions or over dimensions, so it will rejected or it will come into the scrap. Or once the job is inspected, if the job or product is not according to specification, it will be put into the scrap. So obviously since the accuracy achieved in NC machine is high, so it eliminates the human errors, hence scrap and wastages are drastically reduced. Then next advantage is reduced lead time for production. First we should know what is lead time. Lead time means start to end. Whatever the product you are going to manufacture, first I have told you what is the setup time, setting the job, put the job into the fixture, setting the tools, then actual operation is to be start. So the complete time is called lead time. So because of short tape preparation and setup time of NC machine, the lead time for production is reduced. So it reduces lead time for productions. Next advantage is increased productivity. Productivity, as you know that productivity means number of job produced per day, per hour, per week, per month, whatever. So that is called productivity. So since the NC machine produce component quickly with less setup time and lead time, so ultimately productivity increases. Then lower tooling cost. As in NC machines require simple and minimum possible holding fixtures, the cost of fixture design and manufacture is reduced. Simple fixtures are used in NC machines, and if the simple fixtures are used, to that fixture, production of that fixture or time required for producing holding fixture will be less, ultimately cost will be less, but tooling cost will be reduced. Tooling cost means a tool required in NC machine as well as fixture required in NC machine, that is called tooling cost. Then reduction of human error. Obviously in NC machine tapes are used. So the NC tape eliminating the need for an operator intervention, means operator is not in contact with preparation of tape or running the program. The work or tool movement or machine movement is not done by the operator, so it eliminates the human error. Human or operator may mistake while using the tool, machine tool, so that error can be eliminated because all motions of the machine tool will be done by program tape. Then greater operator safety. Most of the time operator is not in contact with the machine. That's why operator safety occurs. Or you can say operator is not exposed to the machine working, hence greater operator safety. The next, greater operator efficiency. As the operator having less work, only the changing of tool on NC machine, so less human contact with the machine. So the operator can be operate number of machines, and if the operator operates number of machines, obviously efficiency of the operator increases. Next one is greater machine tool safety. As we have discussed above, the operator is not in contact with the NC machines, so there will be no damages of tool, there is no accidents, and if the accident doesn't occur, ultimately machine as well as operator will save. So machine tool safety. Then last one, reduced space requirement. As NC machine require minimum possible jigs and fixtures, a storage space requirement also less. So these are the advantages of NC machines, and there is a few limitation of NC machine. Obviously, NC machine limitation, first one is high initial cost. High initial cost as compared to the conventional machine, because sophisticated technologies are used in NC machine. That's why initial investment of the machine is high. Second disadvantage or limitation is high maintenance cost. As you know that spares of NC machines are costly, and skilled manpower is required for maintaining the machine. Ultimately, maintenance cost of the NC machine is high. Then next limitation is a high operational cost. High operational cost means operator required for operating the NC machine should be trained personnel and highly skilled person, so you have to pay more. Okay, that's why. And the skill required for part programming, hence the operational cost of the machine is high. Then the great disadvantage or limitation in NC machine is limited life of tape. Whatever the program we made on the tape, the life of the tape is less due to wear and tear, and the tape is more fragile, because when you are using tape repeatedly, wear and tear in the tape occur. The limited life of tapes. The material, initially paper tapes was used. Now to increase the life of the tape, nowadays mylar or aluminium foil based tapes are used, so less wear and tear occur. Next limitation is time consuming punch tape operation. While making the program on the tape, so we have to enter the syntax or numerical on the tape. It requires high skill or trained personnel, and trial and error basis program is to be changed till the better or correct tape obtained. That's why time consuming punch tape operation is consume more time for preparation of tape. Now application of NC machine. So application of NC machine, as you might have listened that NC lathe and turning machine, NC milling, NC boring, NC drilling and machining center, NC welding and arc cutting machine, NC sawing machine, NC punching press, NC pipe bending machine, NC grinding machine, NC inspection and gauging machine. So these are the applications of the NC machines. Now in next topic we will see CNC. NC means numerical control, CNC means computerized numerical control. Instead of magnetic tape, As in case of NC machine, computers are used for entering the program. That we will see what is NC machine, CNC machines. Okay.